Those are the most important thing about being in PA school.
Mm-hmm.
Grace for your patients, grace for yourself. You need to confidently say, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
That's a key piece so that your overall, how you see yourself as a person,
Mm-hmm.
you see yourself in a confident way so that you can confidently say, I don't know.
Yes.
Even in the example you just gave for yourself, if you didn't feel confident in who you were as a provider, then not knowing that one fact, it would take on a whole different level for you, and your demeanor would be not confident to the patient.
Right.
And the patient then would lose trust.
They wouldn't feel good about it.
Right. So I think every person gets into PA school because they earned it.
Mm-hmm.
Not because we made a mistake. They got in, their application was good, their interview was great, and they earned their spot in the class.
Mm-hmm.
So be confident in that, and be confident you're here to learn. You're not expected to know everything. And the students who are able to find that understanding of themselves tend to do better.
Yeah, like it's not just because you didn't memorize every component in the neuro exam, which is a beast. I do it every day now, so it's a nothing burger, but when you're learning it, it's a beast. And just because you haven't gotten it yet, and even if your friends have got it, doesn't mean you're not going to be a PA or you're going to be a bad provider or you're stupid. It's just going to take, for whatever reason this thing is hard for you to learn, it's going to take a little extra time and practice. That's it. There's nothing wrong with you personally for not knowing it right this minute.
Yeah. And go back to those other attributes, full circle, that we're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
Humanistic patient care, empathy, somebody who has conversations in a non-judgmental way.
Yes.
All of those, when you see somebody, if you're in the emergency room and you were in a car accident and your child was injured,
mm-hmm.
what you want is a provider who's sitting there who shows empathy, understanding.
Mm-hmm.
If they don't know every single fact, those can be looked up, right?
Mm-hmm.
But are you that empathetic provider who can be there for patients in those really challenging moments? Those are the most important thing about being in PA school.
Mm-hmm.
Grace for your patients, grace for yourself. It's personality, it's outlook, it's who you want to be. Those are the most important pieces in PA school, because the knowledge and skills can be learned.
Right.
So.
Couldn't agree more.